Make a splash with your English, understanding idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and colorful English phrase, make a splash. This idiom is used quite frequently in English conversations, and understanding its meaning and usage can really add some flair to your language skills. So, let's get started and explore what it means to make a splash in the English language. The phrase, make a splash, is an idiom that means to create a noticeable impact or impression. It is often used when someone or something gains a lot of attention or becomes very popular, especially in a sudden or very noticeable way. This idiom conjures up the image of someone jumping into water and causing a big splash, something that definitely catches the eye. Understanding the origin of idioms can make them easier to remember. The phrase, make a splash, is believed to have originated from the literal act of splashing in water. This action draws attention and creates a visible impact. Similarly, when someone makes a splash in a social or professional setting, they are drawing attention and making a noticeable impact. Now, let's see how this idiom is used in everyday language. 1. In business, the new tech startup really made a splash in the industry with its innovative products. 2. In social situations, wearing that bright red dress to the party, she definitely made a splash. 3. In media and entertainment, the young singer made a splash on the music scene with her unique voice. When using the phrase, make a splash, remember that it's best suited for situations where someone or something stands out dramatically or gains significant attention. It's often used in a positive context but can be neutral depending on the situation. That's all for today's lesson on the idiom, make a splash. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that you'll feel confident using this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, idioms are a great way to add color to your language and connect with native speakers. Keep practicing, and you'll surely make a splash with your English skills. See you in our next video.